Are you looking for the best Hiccapop products? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best Hiccapop products on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Hiccapop Baby Wipe WarmerAnd. With the Hiccapop Wipe Warmer and Dispenser, your baby will no longer be startled by cold and soggy wipes. The warmer has a silicone lid seal to maintain the wipe's temperature and a large transparent refill window to help you keep track of the wipes left in the dispenser. This innovative product also has a built-in night light to help you with those middle-of-the-night diaper changes. The dispenser is compatible with most wipes and includes a detachable cord for easy portability. Size: 10.5 by 7.5 by 5 inches. Weight: 2.1 pounds. Power source: plug-in. Number 2. Hiccapop OmniBoost Travel Booster Seat. Exploring the outdoors with your little one just got easier with the Hiccapop Booster Seat. The Hiccapop Travel Booster Seat is made of durable materials and has the maximum weight limit of 30 pounds. It features a detachable tray, allowing the little one to eat independently. It also has a safety buckle that can be released with one hand and a mesh pocket on the back to store small baby essentials. The Hiccapop high chair's frame is foldable, allowing you to turn it into a compact and portable chair in just a few seconds. Material: plastic and fabric. Size: 15.59 by 7.01 by 6.89 inches. Weight: 4.19 pounds. Weight capacity: 30 pounds. Age: 6 months to 3 years. Number 3. Hiccapop Bed Bumpers for Toddlers. Keep your baby from rolling off the bed with these Hiccapop bumpers for beds. They are made of durable certi-purus foam that is free of heavy metals, mercury, lead, phthalates, and formaldehyde. The safety bumpers keep your child safe and secure while they're sleeping and give a peace of mind. They have a non-slip silicone beaded fabric to keep them secure on the sides of the bed. These hypoallergenic Hiccapop foam bed bumpers also include a removable and machine-washable cover, making it easy to keep them clean and stain-free. Material: foam. Size: 52 by 7 by 5 inches. Weight: 12 pounds. Number 4. Hiccapop Inflatable Toddler Travel Bed. With this Hiccapop Travel Toddler Bed, you can now take your toddler along on your camping or hiking trips and ensure they get a peaceful sleep. The foldable travel bed inflates in just 3 seconds and has a 4-layer body for durability. It also has a detachable 7-section inflatable mattress for comfort, a heavy-duty grab handle, and a leak-proof quick-release valve for easy deflation. This Hiccapop inflatable toddler bed also comes with an air pump and an extra-large travel bag, making it an ideal portable toddler bed for camping, family trips, or vacations. Material: vinyl. Size: 62 by 39 by 12 inches. Weight: 8.49 pounds. Weight capacity: 310 pounds. Number 5. Hiccapop Pregnancy Pillow Wedge. The dual-sided Hiccapop Wedge pillow is suitable for side sleepers and ideal for all stages of pregnancy. It has an innovative design, with soft memory foam on one side and firmer foam on the other to suit diverse needs. Featuring multiple perforated holes, the breathable pillow can keep you cool and comfortable while sleeping. You can use this versatile pillow to reduce pregnancy discomforts, such as back pain, nerve pain, swollen limbs, and leg numbness. Take a look at this video to learn more about the Hiccapop pillow. Material: foam. Size: 13.25 by 15 by 4.5 inches. Weight: 11.7 pounds. Number 6. Hiccapop Hanging Diaper Organizer. With the Hiccapop Diaper Organizer, you can keep your baby's essentials at arm's length and your nursery clutter-free. The organizer has over 6 shelves and 2 pockets that can easily hold multiple diapers, creams, wipes, clothes, and more. It has 3 built-in buckle straps and 2 looped eyelets, allowing you to hang it on the side of the crib, changing table, or bed. The surface of the organizer is washable, making it easy to clean and maintain. Material: fabric. Size: 9 by 18.75 by 20.5 inches. Color: stale gray. Weight: 1.7 pounds. Number 7. Hiccapop Uber Boost Inflatable Booster Car Seat. Make car rides comfortable for your little one with the Hiccapop Booster Car Seat. The inflatable seat with a contour design is made of double-thick vinyl and is compatible with leather, vinyl, and cloth car seats. It also features a non-skid silicone bottom and metal belt loop to keep it from sliding or bunching up. The air cushion is gentle on the little one's body, and the leak-proof valve makes it easy to deflate and inflate the booster car seat. Material: vinyl size, 14.5 by 14.5 by 4.5 inches. Weight, 1.34 pounds. Maximum weight capacity, 110 pounds. Age, 4 to 11 years.